Have you ever wondered why some people seem to accumulate wealth easily, while others struggle to make ends meet? What if the answer lies in their habits? Welcome to the world of personal finance, a realm that doesn't just revolve around dollars and cents but also the habits you form around them. It's a world where understanding your money and how you interact with it can make all the difference. You see, accumulating wealth isn't just about making more money, it's also about how you manage what you already have. It's about making your money work for you, rather than you working for your money. It's about understanding that every financial decision you make, from the coffee you buy in the morning to the investments you make for your future, can have a profound impact on your financial health. But let's dive a bit deeper. Think about the habits you have around money. Do you impulsively buy things you don't need? Do you save a portion of your income regularly, or perhaps, do you have a budget that you strictly adhere to? These habits, whether they're good or bad, play a pivotal role in how your financial future shapes up. So let's put it this way, your personal finance habits are like the roots of a tree. The stronger and deeper they are, the more robust and resilient your financial tree will be. But if these roots are weak or shallow, your financial stability can be easily uprooted by the winds of unexpected expenses or economic downturns. But don't fret, the beauty of habits is that they can be changed, and with the right knowledge and a bit of determination, you can replace your detrimental money habits with those that pave the way to financial security and prosperity. Remember, the journey to wealth accumulation doesn't start with a hefty paycheck, it starts with understanding your money habits and making them work in your favor. So take a moment, reflect on your financial habits and ask yourself, are they leading you towards financial freedom or holding you back? Understanding your money habits is the first step towards financial freedom. So, what exactly are habits and how do they impact our financial health? Habits are routines of behavior that are repeated regularly and tend to occur subconsciously. Picture them as grooves carved into our brains through constant repetition. They are the autopilot mode of our lives, influencing our actions, decisions, and ultimately, our outcomes. When it comes to money, habits play a pivotal role. They shape our spending patterns, our saving tendencies, and our approach to investments. Ever wondered why some people can effortlessly save a portion of their income every month while others struggle to make ends meet? It's not always about the size of the paycheck. More often than not, it's about the habits that govern how we handle money. Think about it. If you're in the habit of splurging on the latest gadgets or dining out at fancy restaurants, your bank account is likely to feel the strain. On the other hand, if you've cultivated the habit of saving a percentage of your income, no matter how small, you're creating a safety net for yourself and paving the way to financial freedom. But here's the thing about habits. They're not set in stone. They're malleable, changeable. It's like rerouting a river. Yes, it takes time and effort, but it's entirely possible. If you found yourself caught in a cycle of bad money habits, don't despair. The power to change is in your hands. Understanding and acknowledging your habits is the first step towards financial health. It's about taking a hard look at your financial behaviors and identifying the ones that are holding you back. Once you've done that, you can start to replace those detrimental habits with ones that propel you towards wealth and success. In essence, our financial success is a reflection of our habits. The decisions we make, the actions we take, they're all influenced by these ingrained patterns of behavior. So if you want to improve your financial health, start by examining your habits. It's a small step, but it has the potential to make a significant impact on your journey to wealth. Now, let's explore some of the common money habits of wealthy individuals. You might be surprised to learn that the wealthy are not just about splurging on luxury cars and lavish vacations. In fact, many of them have a set of financial habits that they stick to religiously. These habits are the foundation of their financial success, and with a little discipline, they can be yours too. First up is the habit of saving. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of living within their means and putting away money for the future. They don't just save a random amount of money each month, instead they have a set percentage of their income that they put away, rain or shine. This allows them to build a substantial nest egg over time, providing a safety net and the capital for potential investment opportunities. Next, we have investing. The wealthy know that having money sitting idly in a bank account isn't going to bring them the financial growth they want. So they make their money work for them by investing in assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses. This habit of investing helps them to grow their wealth exponentially over time. Then there's the habit of budgeting. Wealthy individuals understand where every penny of their money is going. They keep track of their income and expenses, ensuring that they are spending less than they earn. This allows them to stay in control of their financial situation and make informed decisions about their money. Finally, we have continuous learning. The wealthy never stop expanding their knowledge about personal finance and investment strategies. They're always on the lookout for new information, trends, and opportunities that could help them increase their wealth. In essence, the wealthy cultivate habits of saving, investing, budgeting, and ongoing learning. They understand that financial success is a long-term game, and they play it by making smart, informed decisions about their money. Adopting these money habits can pave the way for financial success. We all have some bad habits that hinder our financial progress, but the good news is, they can be broken. Now let's delve into some of the most common bad money habits and how we can conquer them. First up, we have impulsive buying. It's that irresistible urge to purchase something on a whim, often without much thought or planning. We've all been there, haven't we? The next thing you know, you're staring at a bank statement wondering where all your money went. The solution? Try implementing the 24-hour rule. Whenever you feel the urge to make an unplanned purchase, wait for 24 hours. This pause allows you to evaluate if the purchase is a need or simply a want. Next, we have the habit of not saving. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I'll start saving once I earn more. But the truth is, there's no better time to start saving than now. Start with small, manageable amounts, and gradually increase your savings as your income grows. Then, we have the habit of living beyond our means. This is when your outgoings consistently exceed your income. It's a dangerous path that often leads to debt. The key to breaking this habit is budgeting. Yes, the dreaded B word. But trust me, budgeting isn't as scary as it seems. It's about understanding where your money goes and then making conscious decisions about spending. And lastly, we have the habit of not investing. Investing might seem intimidating, especially if you're new to it, but it's a crucial step in building wealth. Start by educating yourself about different investment options. And remember, it's okay to start small. Breaking these bad money habits isn't easy. It takes time, patience, and a whole lot of discipline. But the payoff is worth it. So start today. Break free from the chains of these bad money habits and pave the way for financial freedom. Remember, breaking bad habits is just as important as forming good ones. Now that we know what habits to break, let's focus on the ones we need to cultivate. To create a rich life, it's essential to develop good money habits. It's all about being mindful of your money. Start by setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a rainy day or investing for your future, having a clear goal in mind can help guide your financial decisions. Next, practice budgeting. Know where your money is going and make sure it's working for you. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Another important habit is living within your means. Avoid unnecessary debt and prioritize needs over wants. And remember, consistency is key. It takes time to form a habit, but with persistence and motivation, you can make these good money habits part of your everyday life. And lastly, keep learning. Stay informed about financial trends and opportunities and never stop seeking ways to improve your financial health. Cultivating good money habits is a journey, not a destination. So, what have we learned today about wealth accumulation? Let's take a moment to reflect. We've seen how personal finance, far from being a dry, abstract concept, has the power to shape our lives. We've delved into the science of habits, understanding how these repetitive actions, often performed subconsciously, can make or break our financial futures. We've peeked into the wallets of the wealthy, gleaning insights from their money habits. They save diligently, invest wisely, and spend frugally not because they have to, but because they understand the value of each dollar. But it's not just about emulating the rich. It's about breaking our own bad money habits, those sneaky, detrimental patterns that chip away at our wealth. And it's about cultivating good habits, those powerful, positive actions that build our wealth, $1 at a time. Remember, the key to wealth accumulation lies in your habits. So start today and create a rich life.